Thanks for stopping by on my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Mumzy Vany. In today's video, we will be doing an unboxing and a product review on this 2-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner that I bought from SNR, Cagayan de Oro City. This is also a 2-in-1 long and handheld vacuum cleaner. Now, cleaning and organizing things at home is what I love to do, and if you have been really following me on my channel, you know that I'm a very organized person. I have been saying that for a million times already. And since I am still recovering from the recent operation that I had, moving around the house is quite a challenge for me. So when I went to SNR recently, I saw this 2-in-1 cordless stick vacuum cleaner. And to be honest, I have been looking for this kind of vacuum cleaner that is handy, that is easy to use, and it's easy to keep. We already have a vacuum cleaner here at home, but that one is bigger. And also use that one when cleaning the car and also in dry and wet areas. But basically, what I really need right now is something that can assist me when I'm doing the cleaning here at home. Something that will not really force me to really push my strength when cleaning at home. So in the next clip mga Mumzys, let's do the unboxing. So this is the handheld unit. It looks bigger on me. All right. This one is already charged for 5 hours, 5 or 6 hours. You will see if the unit is charging because this light indicator here is turned blue. And once it is fully charged, it will just turn off automatically. So you know it's already fully charged because there's no more light in here. Now, you can use the either the flat nozzle. This is the flat nozzle. It's very easy to insert on the handheld unit and like that. So let's try to turn it on. This is the power button, and you can adjust. So there's like 2 settings that you can set on this unit, either high or low. So this is high and that is low. Alright, so if you want to change the nozzle, simply press at this side, pull it off, and change using the brush nozzle. You can hear this click when it will be locked. Alright, and this is now ready to use. Okay. Now this is the dust cup. If you want to remove and clean this one up, all you have to do is press this button right here, the red button. Okay, and then pull this one up. there you go. We have removed it already. And just remove the filter also inside. So all you have to do is just twist it, remove. This is the filter. And make sure not to wash this one off because it's made of like, this is just really like a paper. So when cleaning this one up, I suggest just use a soft brush to clean off the dust. And this one, all you have to do is just twist. No, not twist the cup inside, but all you have to do is just pull it out like so. And this one here, you can wash this off because this is plastic. As you can see, there's actually dirt inside because I have tried using the vacuum cleaner to see if how effective it is when absorbing or when getting the dirt. So I'm gonna wash this one off. So when you're returning this cup inside, make sure that this flat part here matches this one here. Ayan. So just push it in. And then the filter, there's actually a lock indicator inside. So just follow that. Try connecting the handheld vacuum cleaner to this extension or this extension tube and the powered nozzle with brush roll inside. So there you go mga Mumzys, that's how easy and convenient it is to use this vacuum cleaner. The unit needs to be charged at least 4 to 6 hours, and if you are using it at high power, it runs up to, or the operation time is 17 minutes, while at low power, it is at 40 minutes operation time. So I hope this product review mga Mumzys helps you, and if it does, please do give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below, and of course don't forget to subscribe on my channel. See you on my next one. Godspeed!